It was the aviation showdown of the decade. A high-stakes duel between two aerospace titans fighting fiercely for the future of American air dominance. Just months ago, the entire NGAD program teetered on the brink of cancellation, overshadowed by the stealthy B-21 Raider and an increasing focus on unmanned drones. Questions swirled. Was the age of manned fighter jets coming to an abrupt end? Would the NGAD be scrapped in favor of a new strategy? But today, after relentless speculation and heated debate, the verdict is finally in. Boeing has triumphantly secured the monumental $20 billion contract to build the F-47, also known as the Next Generation Air Dominance or NGAD fighter. This program breathes new life into America's commitment to manned combat aircraft. And this victory doesn't just mark Boeing's resurgence. It might very well reshape the trajectory of aerial warfare itself. A futuristic sixth-generation fighter that's been cloaked in secrecy. This thing is more classified than Area 51 itself, and it's designed explicitly to surpass even the legendary F-22 Raptor. But Boeing's path to victory wasn't easy. Plagued by recent setbacks, Boeing desperately needed this win. Now, against all odds, they've earned a chance to reclaim their legacy. Yet, questions remain. Could this truly be Boeing's turning point after years of struggle? How many of these cutting-edge F-47 fighters will actually soar into production? And, intriguingly, is the 47 designation just coincidental or a deliberate nod to the current president? Buckle up, aviation fans, because the stakes have never been higher.
The U.S. Air Force has finally made its move. After years of delays, budget battles, and speculation, Boeing's F-47 has been chosen as the winner of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. The F-47 is America's future sixth-generation stealth fighter, built to dominate enemy airspace like never before. The US needs a jet that can outmatch rising threats from China and Russia. With hypersonic weapons, AI-driven combat, and electronic warfare becoming the new normal, America's old jets just won't cut it anymore. That's where the F-47 comes in, a high-tech, ultra-stealthy, next-level war machine. Boeing won't have to build the F-47 from scratch. It has already been working on next-generation fighter concepts for years under classified programs. The Air Force has already flown a full-scale NGAD prototype as early as 2020, though details remain top secret. This means Boeing's design is not just a paper concept, it has already been tested in some form. While China has been spotted flying its own sixth-generation prototype, the US has kept its advancements hidden. The NGAD project started years ago to replace the F-22 Raptor, but it faced delays due to shifting budgets and priorities. The Air Force was ready to announce the winner in late 2024, but former Air Force Secretary decided to leave it to the next administration. President Donald Trump finally gave the green light, awarding the contract to Boeing. The F-47 is poised to redefine air combat in the coming years, setting a new standard for next-generation fighters. With Stealth 2.0, it will become nearly undetectable, surpassing even today's most advanced jets. Its AI-powered co-pilot is expected to revolutionize aerial warfare, allowing pilots to focus on strategy while AI handles threat analysis and combat decisions. The integration of loyal wingmen, AI-controlled drones, will expand its capabilities, providing unmatched support in high-risk missions. Designed for extreme range and speed, the F-47 will penetrate deep into enemy territory without the need for frequent refueling, ensuring rapid and decisive strikes. Armed with next-level weaponry, including directed energy lasers and next-generation missiles. It will dominate the battlefield, securing America's air superiority for decades to come. Each jet is expected to cost around $300 million, making it the most expensive fighter ever built. But with rising threats from China and Russia, the Air Force believes this investment is necessary. The NGAD program is the Air Force's most expensive research and development project ever, with $19.6 billion planned over 5 years. However, Congress has already proposed cutting $325 million from 2025's budget, which could slow things down. China, meanwhile, has already been spotted flying its own 6th-generation fighter, raising concerns that the US might not be as far ahead as it once was. The F-47's success depends on how quickly Boeing can move from development to deployment.